Good morning everyone. Myself Archana from St. Peter's Secondary School. Today's lecture is for class 3rd of English subject and today's topic is nouns, collective and abstract, which is the first chapter of our English grammar book. Yes students, before knowing about collective and abstract noun, we must know about nouns. What is noun? In your previous class, in first or second class, you must have read about nouns. We know everything around us. Everything around us, if you look around yourself, you can see many things. Right? Many things, people. You must have gone some places. Right? So the name of anything, any place, any people is called noun. In simple language, you can say that naming words are noun. Nouns are words that name people, place, animals, things or idea. Here are some more examples you can see on your screen. Examples for person: girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mrs. Jones. Same like that, examples for place are school, home, playground, zoo. Example for animal: dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard. And the example for things: book, flower, shoe, pencil, etc. So these all are the example of nouns. Noun is the name of any person, place, things or animal. Yes, now on your screen you can see two type of noun. First, common noun and the second one is proper noun. What is common noun? Common noun is the name in general. Common noun is the name of any person, place, things in general. And one more thing, common nouns always start with small letter. We do not start common noun with capital letter. And now if we talk about proper noun, name specific people, places and thing, mean name in particular. Particular name of any person, place, etc. is proper noun. And very important thing, proper nouns always start with capital letter. Yes, this is the picture of your first chapter of English grammar book. Nouns, collective and abstract. Yes students, first picture. You can see 4 pictures here. If you observe it carefully, you can answer. Picture of first picture is of flower. And the second picture of book. And the third picture, players. And the fourth picture, bunch of key. So, as I told you earlier that all the naming words are noun. So, these all are the name of something. Whether that would be of a thing, person, etc. So, these all are noun. Again, we will talk about common noun. Common nouns are name of person, place, animal or things in general. As I told you, the name in general of anything is common noun. For example, boy, school, giraffe, eraser, teacher, park, sparrow, dustbin. Now we will come to proper noun. Proper nouns are name of particular person and place. For example, Rohan, Agra, Ritu, London. Means if I say boy or a girl, boy and a girl is the example of common noun, and if I give you a particular name of any boy or any girl like Rohan and Riya, so these two words are proper noun. Understood? common noun and proper noun. Hope you understood two type of noun. Now, we will talk about collective nouns. As we know that there are 5 type of noun. First common noun, second proper noun, third collective, and then abstract, and then material noun. In this chapter, we will learn about collective and abstract noun. We have recalled about proper and common noun, right? So, let's come to the point. Collective noun. A collective noun refers to a set of group of person, animal, things. Collective noun, collection. Collection of any person, place, animal, etc. are called collective noun. For an example, group of soldier. Group of soldier, collection of soldier. What we will call that? Army. So army word is group of person, group of soldier. So army word is collective noun. For example, for another example, if we talk about group of flowers, collection of flowers, what will you call that? Bouquet. So the word bouquet is collective noun. If we talk about animals, group of animal, we call that herd. So the word herd is collective noun. So in short, collective noun is collection of anything, right? Word that is the collection for person, animal, etc. Those words are collective noun. So today we will learn about collective noun and which definition we have learned. Okay, so thank you everyone.